In this session, I will try to explain when is the right time to click on the convert button. When is the right time to convert the lead to an opportunity. There are endless forums and endless consultants that will try to force on you their own way of conversion. As an example, in my business, I am converting leads to opportunities whenever the lead is booking an appointment. So the process for me to book an appointment is to fill an intake form and then to book the appointment. So if the lead was serious enough to take all those steps, for me it's good enough to convert him from lead to opportunity. This is the time that I'm separating the infants from the adults. So this is my business. Now, I cannot force on you to work like me, because in your business you might not have even a meeting with a client, or you might have a different way of doing it, or maybe you will have some kind of an online e-commerce store and every person that goes to the system is immediately an opportunity. Actually, it's a closed won opportunity. Okay? So every business is different. The logic of conversion is that whenever the relationship with the prospect is mature, which you think this is a serious person, this is when you convert him. And it might be when the lead comes in and you have a phone call with the person. So for you, you know that 50% of the people that you have phone call with, those are serious people that you will have probably some kind of a relationship. In a different business, you might have a phone call with people and about 90% of them goes to the garbage. So every business needs to understand when is this special moment that the relationship is being upgraded. If I think about it like a YouTube channel, when someone is viewing a video, is a lead. When he is subscribing, is becoming now to be an opportunity, because it's like a relationship. He wants more. This is really how I see the lead to opportunity conversion. You need to think about your business and try to think about the special time that you know that the relationship got upgraded, and at that point the conversion will take place. Okay? This is one of those sessions that there is no definite answer, but there is a logic that can be applied on your business based on all the different factors related to your business. Thank you very much for watching this session. I am promoting now my Zoho CRM course. I am giving 50% off to my existing customers that tagged me as a partner. And of course, I am also giving 50% off to new customers that tagging me as their partner. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this session. I will see you in the next one.